All right, Carter, I'm going to have to interrupt you quickly. I apologize. I have to interrupt you, Carter. We want to go live to the telephone. Mike Tower from the Fish and Game Department is joining us now. Is it Mr. Tower? Do I have the name correct?
Speaking, yes, Tucker.
First of all, can you tell us how this all started this afternoon? Because we understand that it did involve a California Fish and Game official. Is that correct? He made the initial spotting of Christopher Dorner?
That's correct. And then we called law enforcement. It was confirmed that there was gunfire. Who it was, we don't know at this point. We believe it was Ronnie, the limo driver, firing at Mr. Dorner, and we believe that he hit him.
And Mr. Tower, you say Ronnie, the limo driver?
Yes, ma'am. Ronnie, the limo driver, Ronnie Mund. He was on his way to a block party, and he got caught in a fire out.
And it's your impression that one of the Fish and Game wardens was the first person to spot Christopher Dorner?
You're a real dumbass. You still don't know that this is a prank?
All right, apparently some people taking advantage of live television on a very serious day here in Los Angeles